All right, what we have is, we call it the roof water sachet lighting system. So what we want to do is that because we are energy conscious, we've designed this for you to roof your building. You drop this on it, and throughout the day you're going to have the sunlight reflect this, and this is going to spread the light into your room for the day, and in the night you can rely on the energy that you have from Akosombo. and you can have it in different colors depending on the color of the sachet.
Assuming you have a wristwatch and on your way going to work or any place, your wristwatch is torn. You cannot put it on, but you need a wristwatch. You can just buy 2 sachets of water, probably drink the water and then make some kind of wristwatch and then paste your wristwatch with a glue and you go. Yeah.